So let's start. I have this type of sample data. First I convert this data into an Excel table. Then I will extract that data into the pivot table. Click on Insert tab. Then click on Table. Check my table has headers. Click OK. After that, again click on Insert tab. Then click on Pivot Table. Click OK. The new sheet is created. I rename this sheet Progress Chart because I am going to create progress chart in this sheet. So drag and drop fields in these areas. First I drag salesperson field in rows box. Then I drag revenue field in values box and drag and drop region field in filters box. So I can see pivot table is created. I format these values. Right click, click on number format. Click on currency, click OK. To create progress chart, I need to convert these values in percentage format. I can do this in the pivot table. Again drag and drop revenue field in values box. Then right click. Then point on show values as. Click on percentage of column total. So I can see these values are converted into percentage format. Now I can create progress chart. But before creating progress chart, I do one more thing. I subtract these values from the 100%. As a result, I will get 2 series. Because 2 series are required to visualize data on the progress chart. So activity cell, enter equal sign, type 1, enter subtraction operator, click on this cell reference, press enter key. Format this value, click on percentage, then paste the same formula in other cells. I think I cannot do this in the pivot table. So I need to enter separate formula in each cell. Enter equal sign, type 1, enter subtraction operator, click this cell reference, press enter key. Similarly in other cells. Now I insert blank donut chart. Active any cell outside the pivot table. Click on Insert tab. Then click on donut chart. Right click, click on Select Data. Then click on Add. In Series Values box, type any digit 20 times. I type 220 times. Then click OK. Click OK. Remove chart title. I also remove these legends. Then I resize this chart. Type 2.02 and type 2.45. Press enter key. After that, drag and drop down. Then I format this chart. Double click on this chart. Select on series. Then click on series option. I reduce the whole size. After that, I change the color of these slices. Click Fill arrow button, then select Solid Fill